What's the difference between round abrasives and angular abrasives? Stay tuned to find out. Hey, what's up guys? Leighton here, Vapor Honing Technologies. I'm here today to talk to you about the difference in abrasives, what you typically find, or you have your round abrasives and your angular abrasives, and I'll go over the purposes of each with you today. So round abrasives, you have your ceramic bead and your glass bead. Glass beads are most popular. These are round. Glass beads actually, crystal structure is see-through, so it's gonna break down a lot faster depending on whether you're using a wet blasting or dry blasting system. Ceramic bead has a solid structure. It is still round though, so it will last up to 30 times longer. What this round abrasive allows you to do, especially if you're using a clean by flow method like our wet blast cabinets utilize, is it's gonna roll over the metal. It's not gonna create such a harsh impact when that abrasive and water both meet the substrate at the same time. It literally rolls over the metal, combs the fibers down like a comb, and provides that clean satin polished finish you're looking for. Now for those guys and businesses that are doing more parts or surface prep, where you're needing to prep things for anodizing or coatings, you're going to want to use these jagged or angular abrasives, because what that allow you to do is actually affect the surface profile. These are going to be, like I said, angular, jagged. You have aluminum oxide or silicon carbide are the most popular ones we have in this category. It's, like I said, going to allow you to have more impact on the surface, even if you use a clean by flow state. If you have any questions, give us a call today. We'll be happy to assist you. 828-202-5563. My extension is 118. My name's Leighton. Thanks so much.